What's up, guys? Pretty straightforward day for the dots bias indicator. Today is Monday, January 12th. You can see 9:30, the market opens. Dots get 4 rows. Dots are mixed. 9:40, dots get the first column of all green dots, and we get a retracement back to the EMAs. You can see that there's a little SMT. NQ makes a lower low. ES makes a higher low. SMT, green dots means you're bullish. I entered here on the NASDAQ. I looked for a prior high. Pretty straightforward setup there. Just looking for base hits on a Monday into CPI week. And then the second setup I looked for is combining the dots with initial balance high. If you look at the first hour of trade, this is 50% of the range initial balance. If price is in the upper half of the first hour initial balance, there's an 80 to 82% chance that the initial balance high will get hit. Yeah, when I pair that with green dots, it's a solid confluence. So you can see price comes back, lower low in NASDAQ, higher low in the ES. Dots get mixed on the NASDAQ. Dots reset to bullish. One dot entry function targeting initial balance high in conjunction with NQ stats. Dots, two pretty straightforward setups. And then there's a saying that I use in the room quite often: don't fade the dots. I mean, it's just a melt up all day. Dots are bullish. Reset. Dots are bullish. You can see this line. There's a previous day high, then a higher high from the previous week. These two white lines on the NASDAQ both get hit. And then currently in the afternoon, dots reset. Another divergence, which I didn't mark up. So pretty straightforward day. The dots are clearly bullish on a 1-minute chart, which is the time frame that I prefer to use them on. Don't fade the dots. Pretty straightforward day. Monday, good start to the week. 7-day free trial, link in the bio if you want to try the dots bias indicator out. Code dots is 20% off any subscription. Feel free to reach out with any questions. I'm on Twitter at IrishWave_. I think you should be able to find me. And thanks a lot. Have a good one.